Well, we're here at the Enterprise 2.0 conference in San Francisco.
qtask, it's a Web 2.0 based collaboration platform that is utilized now by small to medium-sized businesses to essentially create the perfect working environment for work they want to accomplish. We're based in Los Angeles, but our team actually stretches from St. Petersburg, Russia to Sydney, Australia. About 40 people, some of whom I've never met before, working in multiple languages across multiple time zones. And the great thing is, the work gets done on time. No one has a problem with lost information, can't find something, etc. The collaboration platform, it's a Web 2.0 based product, is fully focused on providing all the most recent information and all the historical information by project to all the users at all times they want to access it. So I look at our team as a good example. We're focused for small to medium-sized businesses. Typical business may be anywhere from 25 up to 1,000 users. And in that base, some groups are large, some groups are small, but they are project-based, task-based collaboration environment to get the work done.
Could you tell me who is a typical customer for qtask?
Well, we're a user certainly, with our team spread around the world, but a typical customer might be a company with anywhere from 50 to 200 employees or workers collaborating. They don't always have to be employees. A good example would be a marketing company. We have one marketing company that has teams stretched across the United States with also offices in Europe, and it allows their team to work together on any collaborative idea, whether it's a new website, it's a new trademark idea, it's a marketing campaign, gather its input from all team members in a wiki, in a file, other electronic media, in discussion, and at all times have the most recent information available to everyone in the team. Plus there's an opportunity to work with the client itself. You could have the client be in the group as well, so we can see its work being created, or the client could participate in a syndication situation where certain information is essentially by RSS feed put out to the client, and the client can see constantly the status of its matter.
Okay, so that means you probably don't use email as much.
We don't use email. An interesting story, I guess, is from an email standpoint, in our company, we don't use email at all, although we do have Outlook integration, which allows us to get email from people outside of qtask, and I'll communicate with people outside of qtask. But internally, as a side note, if you use email in our company, you'll be fired.
Well, that's interesting. Well, it sounds like a great thing. What is, you said that typically the business size would be anywhere between 25 and 1,000. That's quite a good range. That's good scaling.
The scalability, because it's a web-based product, and we use our own server farms as well as Amazon's S3 as a backup, scalability isn't a challenge. And because it's also browser-based, users don't have an IT commitment either. There's no IT department that has to worry about keeping qtask up and running for them or on their computers. I could give you a demo with my PC, I could walk across the hall to someone's Mac, I could grab a phone with a browser and give you a demonstration, or actually work in my own stuff in a highly secure fashion.
Well, that's pretty interesting. So you said a marketing company. What about large offices like law firms?
Our client base runs from law firms to marketing companies, advertising companies, real estate firms who do purchase and improvements, to rental companies. Frankly, any business that has disparately located knowledge workers, where the team can't be in the same place at the same time, for whatever the reason, it works very well with. I'll use our example as well. One of the nice things about having disparately located workers is, for 50 people, we have a 5,000 square foot office. So our footprint, our carbon footprint, and our utility expense and our space expense is about 1/3 the national average per employee, because our people work where they want to work and they live where they want to live.
So no commutes, I like that.
Your commute is from wherever your bathrobe is to wherever your computer is.
Right. That's pretty good. Okay, well, I'm enjoying the Enterprise 2.0 conference. I've been seeing a lot of people coming to your booth. So I hope you have a good day.
We as well. Thank you for the time and the information.
Right, thank you.
Thank you, Alan.